Is it worth upgrading your Oculus Quest 2 Headstrap? We're going to try to answer that today. Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech5. Today we're going to be looking at the Oculus Quest 2, and we're going to be trying to figure out if it's worth it to upgrade your head strap on your Oculus Quest 2 or get a completely different head strap altogether. Now, I know that there's a lot of drama that's surrounding Oculus Quest and with Facebook and their head strap, and we don't care about anything other than the head strap today. We're going to be focusing on that and trying to answer if it's worth it to actually upgrade this head strap, or if you should just go with a different VR headset. We're going to figure that out. We're going to be looking at it. Make your own decision afterwards. I just give you guys this information. Let's get it.
When the Oculus Quest 2 came out, it was an amazingly priced headset. And it came with a head strap that was better, or at least more comfortable than the previous Quest. But it wasn't that much of an improvement, and could easily still irritate you after wearing the headset for an extended period of time. Oculus was aware of this and came out with the option on launch to buy a different head strap, being the Elite Strap and the Elite Strap with battery. Now the Elite Strap was an improvement, and it did come with a much more premium feel for the Oculus Quest, but soon there started to become rumors of rumblings of it having issues in breaking. And right around the time the issues with the head straps breaking started, I began to hear things about the FrankenQuest. I wasn't sure what this was, but I had to check it out, so I reached out to the business company VR that was producing these 3D printed parts that allowed you to combine the Vive Deluxe audio head strap and the Quest together. I tried to work with him on getting a video together promoting the parts, but I wasn't big enough of a channel for him at the time, so I was practically scoffed at. However, I didn't let this slow me down. I ordered the pieces and tried to get it in as soon as possible. Once I did, I could not wait to get this headset put together and see if the hype surrounding this thing was real. The 3D parts you receive come with 3 different pieces. 2 pieces that are for the sides and 1 for the top strap on the deluxe audio head strap. You do want to be careful when removing your current head strap and installing this mod. Be sure not to bend the sides on the Quest itself and only pull on the head strap. The longer pieces that connect the sides to the deluxe strap to the headset are marked with an R and an L, so you know what side goes where. With a little bit of pressure, you can pop these pieces into place and clip it onto the headset. It even comes with a little groove to run the audio cable through. They thought of everything. The top part was probably the hardest part to install because it kept feeling like I was going to break something. Just know it will take a bit of pressure. Try not to give it too much though, so you don't mess up your Quest. Once you've got it snapped all into place, feast your eyes on the beauty before you. The FrankenQuest 2 as they call it. Now with this headset ready to go, I jumped right into Half-Life Alyx. Now with this game, I felt it was going to be a great testament to how well of an improvement this head strap was for the Oculus Quest. Some of you may already know that I am a big supporter of the Oculus Quest 2, despite some of the more devious moves by Facebook themselves. I do not believe that you are going to be able to find a more versatile headset on the market right now. I believe the ability to play PC VR wireless is an experience that you just simply cannot outdo in any other headset currently. And with premium audio on this thing, it was so much better. So much better to the point that I was able to get my first jump scare from the Oculus Quest 2 since I've had it. Now, right here where you see me shooting this individual, I jumped. And I'm so upset that I was off screen when it happened because we weren't able to see, but the immersion is a big deal when it comes to VR, and having the proper sound when you're in the virtual world is a huge and critical part to promoting real immersive experience. Now it's true, you can get headphones and put them over your Oculus Quest to get better audio quality, and you can buy little earbuds and get better audio quality than the stock speakers that come with the Oculus Quest. But when you do this, you are creating a less comfortable environment that takes away from the immersive experience. having those earbuds in your ear begin to become irritating. Having the headset over your head strap becomes irritating. The deluxe audio solution on this FrankenQuest allows you to enjoy a premium audio experience without hindering immersion while playing a game, and that is where the real bonus is here. Now, I took it a step further and I wanted to bring up Population 1 and see just how well I could hear footsteps, and it translated into being a really big step up when playing this game as well. It appeared to definitely help, even though my teammates really weren't too much help and just died and let me get 3v1'd. But that is aside the point. The big takeaway here is the audio was much better. I wanted to go ahead and put a little chart together here and try to give you a visual on just the amount of money we would be looking at spending if we were to go ahead and try to add some of these modifications to your Quest headset. And in my opinion, I still feel that you are going to get a more rounded experience with the FrankenQuest than you would in the HP Reverb 2. And we're still talking about a $200 difference in a headset that really only offers slightly better panels and audio that's just as good. However, to be fair to the numbers here, I did not add in the cost of an Oculus Link cable, which would put about a $100 difference between the HP Reverb 2 and a fully equipped FrankenQuest. At that point, I feel like you just have to make the decision whether or not the versatility of the Quest 2 is worth the $100 you can save by adding these modifications to the headset.
So guys, you know my position. If you've gotten the Oculus Quest 2, I think you should 100% upgrade to the FrankenQuest. It's a little bit more money, but I gotta say guys, the experience that you get is just so much better. It really is. If you're in the virtual reality world, it's all about immersion. And if you don't have the best audio that you can get, it hurts the immersive experience. And this really changes that. It changes the comfort level. It's way more comfortable than the Elite strap. It's just it's a win. It's a win, guys. It really is. So that's my verdict. You can make your own decisions. You've got the numbers, you know what it's gonna take, but that's how I feel about it. Now you guys know I gotta shout out my Patreon, so thank you guys so very much for going even further and supporting the channel. I appreciate it so very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't ever think I don't appreciate it. I really do. Now, if you're a subscriber, thank you for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers. It's great to see this much growth. Thank you guys so very much. If you do have any questions, concerns, confusions, don't be afraid to ask. I don't mind helping, guys. I promise, I really don't. Now, I'm really trying to build something for you guys here, and I hope you'll want to be a part of that. Please consider sharing the video, as it does help the channel quite a bit. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Now, with that said, I hope you can like, I hope you can subscribe. And if not, well, I hope to catch you in another one. And remember, it's a vibe, a tech vibe, specifically. We'll see you.